so I can only shoot in one direction here. We'll be going up this North Mine Road. Back there was Dead Man's Gulch, Kimmin Wash, near Hoover Dam, Lake Mead. But we'll be going up this road where the Patsy Mine andesites, what these Wilson Ridge pluton, right there is 13.5 million years ago over here. That could be 17 to 18, this andesite lavas, and hopefully it's sitting on some gneiss, 1.7 billion year old gneiss, and we'll be looking for the ash layer of 18.5 million years ago. There was the Peach Springs volcano about 50 miles that way, left ash everywhere out here, and we'll see if we can find some ash on top of some metamorphic gneiss right there where they join. I'm not quite sure how all these plutons go everywhere, but that pluton, the reddish hematite pluton, is the paint pot pluton of 13.9 million years ago. And that's the same source for the Hoover Dam tuffs that are in Black Canyon, Hoover Dam over that way. Boulder City. So let's get up here, probably where the road disappears up here. We'll stop right up in there and see if we can find a contact between the andesite of 1.85, maybe 1.8, over 1.85 Peach Springs ash on top of gneiss. Let's go. This is what that Wilson Ridge pluton looks like. I think it's a Wilson Ridge, but it looks more like a diorite. See how black all the black there is in it? The splotchy stuff is probably, I don't know. I don't know, lots of quartz. Could be a diorite. Pretty coarse, real coarse grained. Pluton, there's a xenolith in the magma chamber. These are magma chamber rocks. What's this blue stuff? That blue stuff right there is Rebeccaite. There's a quartz vein going through that. Okay, let me get out of the wind. Get going. Out of the wind here. That's what that blue Rebeccaite looks like. Not a good sample of it, but let's go. There's that fossilized water table of hematited quartz monzonite in the Boulder City pluton. See that level line right there? And does that come right around over this way to these hematited quartz monzonites? What do I got there? Got a buzzard. See the red underneath this 5 million year old basalt on top over the 13.9 pluton 13 million years ago. Paint pot pluton. Hematited. The red hematited ore iron might match up with that same elevation 5 to 10 million years ago after the basin range extension and tilting, so everything would have been settled down and level by 10 million years ago. Let's get up there. Coming up the road, we're into that Patsy Mine Andesite now. That looks to be a dike. I was hoping it was an ash. I could see it from there. No, it's just not an ash layer. It's a dike, I guess. I don't see any. Let's go over here and look. Looking for some white ash. I guess ash would be white or beige. I don't see the metamorphic shed either. Yeah, we'll take this road up somewhere. There it goes. Over into the next drainage. Don't know. Let's see what this white is. Yeah, this white is more quartz monzonite. Quartz monzonite. Here's some more of that Rebeccaite totem. Rebeccaite. So not an ash, just white quartz monzonites probably that have intruded these lavas. Okay, let's get going up there. I don't know. Which way? This doesn't look good. Holy smokes. Okay, I better use both hands. I didn't make it up there. I don't know, somewhere right around in there. Backside it's so steep and people have dug out such big holes. The whoopie-doos won't let you keep 4 wheels on the ground. So I had to walk, and I don't even see any traces of tire tracks in the last month or two. So not many cars are going to make it up that way. Probably have to walk where I did from there. Here's the andesite of 17, 18 million years ago, Patsy Mine formation. And so far the white has just been calcite. Calcite's in the cracks. Andesite. Basaltic andesite, I would say. Well, let's keep walking. I think this is just more, yeah, just on the outside. Calcite. Maybe over there. Is that bobcat? Mountain lion? I don't know. Hope it's just a bobcat. I don't even want to see a bobcat. Ugh. Yeah, that's just alteration. Probably Geologic. Looks like the plagioclases. I don't know. Some sort of alteration. Let's go on up. Here's that alteration stuff. Probably is Geologic. It looks like it's turning the stuff into clays. Alteration. See the breccia, all the clumps, xenolites in a lava flow. And that's just an alteration zone through the veins, I guess. Not ash. Breccia. Ooh, look at the mine. Water tank. Ooh, yeah. So here, All that back over there, tan is Wilson Peak Pluton, quartz monzonite. And this down through here, all of that is even the whole hill I think is a 1.7 billion with a B metamorphic gneisses. They bring their water truck to here, fill that up, go down there to the mine. Yeah, there's another mine there. Yeah, so these mines appear to be on the contact between these lavas and those quartz metamorphics. 1.7 billion year old andesites over this 1.7 billion year old gneiss. I think it's gneiss, we'll find out soon. There's some faint tracks. Somebody in a real Jeep could get up here, I guess. Junk. Chute up there. I guess you'd bring it up, put it in there to get it in their trucks. This looks like to be andesite. They put a gate on it. Maybe that's it there. Yeah, that feldspar. That's underneath there is a pegmatitic granite, probably. See the size of those feldspar crystals? They're huge. Muscovites. Okay, so that's gneiss, or the granites in this case. Well, I didn't bring a flashlight. Dangerous mine. And this is the andesite. Did it pick up any rocks? I think that's the vein. There's the vein of something. Looks to be like magnesium oxides. Let's try down in here. There's no rattlesnakes. Any bobcats? Oh, that's it. Yeah, that's just it. That looks to be a gneiss right there. Gneiss. Probably andesite on this side. Gneiss against the footwall and the header hanging. Yeah, there's just rattlesnakes down in there. Okay, let's try the next mine. But lava over. Yeah, we didn't see a contact with the lava ash. I don't see any ash layer here. It's just pegmatic feldspars up against andesite. Okay, let's go that way. Got a little road going here, a trail for their burrow. Little exploration. See, this is more back into the gneiss. Pegmatites. Copper. We got some malachite. Or chrysocolla, I don't know which. Oh, right here. Copper. Copper was right near the surface. Some more copper. It was just a little explorer. I saw that copper here, and there's that contact with the lava. Could be a lava dike and not a flow. Oh, here we go. They might have just piled this over here. We gotta get back down there. See some more in these rocks. These out, oh, see that up there? That's all green up through there. Green, green, green. Some sort of copper. Silica or a carbonate. Look at all the quartz in this. This is back into that magnesium stuff. I imagine the quartz is all I don't know. I don't know if it's an alteration or a vein. Green something, probably malachite. I think blue green would be a chrysocolla. And over here's azurite. This is real blue. Greens. See the blues. Blues and the greens. Oh, here's the blues. And then the greens. I assume that green is a green malachite, not a blue-green chrysocolla. But we got to get back down there. Let's go back the way we came. You can see the vein in this. It might be so old it's been metamorphized, I don't know. You can see how it's hard to see it. It's been twisted. Here's probably an intrusion into the older lavas. There's a lava, but here's a intrusion of more andesite with all that quartz filling it in, all that bull quartz. Tons of it. Goes right up to our copper. Brought up the coppers. Let's go. More garbage. I think if we want to get up there, it'd be easier to take the ridge line up. Might be some sort of trail getting up there for the workers. The ore would come dumped right off of there. Yeah, we'll come back and get up this ridge. Another hole in the ground. Some coppers. Down here in the Andesites. And I think right there is Precambrian rocks, the pegmatitic granites, I think, in this area. Yeah, we can just get right on up. Anywhere. Veins here are just quartz filling. Could be barite or quartz. Ooh, it's pretty heavy. Could be barite. Probably barite. Pretty heavy stuff. But it's not a lava, Tuff. Not our 18.5 Peach Spring stuff. Let's find our way on up. A lot of copper. Malachite. Copper carbonate. Not a copper silicate, that would be a blue-green chrysocolla. This is probably a copper mine. Probably, oh, this still has rails. Oh boy, you can't go down there. Oh, they got it graded. Little blue-green. Blue azurite. Copper. It disappears right till you get to the surface. That's why you always have to dig you a dog hole to find out what's below the surface. Okay. it's all Precambrian. And this lava flowed over it with no ash, apparently. There's where we came in. Let's see if we can find a shortcut. I go to a waterfall down there. We got to get all the way back down there. That's too much. Yeah, the car's right there. And that's where we got up around it there. So we got to get back right over to there. Bit of a shortcut there. Let's go all the way back. And there's in the background is Wilson Ridge Pluton 13.5, and that darker stuff right there is the Precambrian gneisses. Cheers. Let's go. Well, we gotta get out. I just noticed back up on top of those orangish, I think they're Precambrian rocks. There's another, they got some diggings up there. They don't look very, well, there's some tailings there. But that's way up there. Gotta have more energy than what I have. Going all the way up there. So let's get back. Get on that, get down to the wash, get up there, go back all the way back around the way we came. Back to where we couldn't get up that road right there. Okay. Yeah, right along this outcrop right at the surface. I imagine they broke it open. There's some copper there. Could be deeper copper here along this. Imagine it's a dike. The dike brought up the copper, I guess. Yeah, you can see a dike way over there. That's that dike coming probably right through here. See, a bit of a dike still remaining. Then it comes down across the wash here, and then right on up here. Bringing us the copper. And that white is barite. We saw that earlier. That's all barite. Some more barite down here. There's another dog hole. Another dog hole. I don't know why they call them dog holes. Because they look like a dog dug in. This is all barite. I thought it might have been down into the Precambrian rocks of the paleoclase, but it's real heavy stuff. This is like super heavy. It's got quartz and barite.